With its sleek exterior and luxurious interior, the 2024 Škoda Fabia Monte Carlo beckons adventure seekers and style enthusiasts alike. Offering potent performance and a long list of standard features, could this be the ultimate compact car for modern drivers? The 2024 Škoda Fabia Monte Carlo presents a compelling blend of style, performance, and features that make it a standout choice in its segment. Its sharp interior and exterior styling immediately catch the eye, showcasing modern design cues that exude confidence and sophistication on the road. From its sleek lines to carefully crafted details, the Fabia Monte Carlo offers a premium aesthetic that sets it apart from the competition. Beneath its stylish exterior lies a potent performance package paired with sharp handling, delivering an engaging driving experience. Powered by a 1.5T engine and coupled with an automatic dual-clutch transmission, DCT, the Fabia Monte Carlo boasts impressive acceleration and agility, making every drive a thrilling experience. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, this car offers responsive handling and confident control, enhancing the overall driving dynamics. Moreover, the Fabia Monte Carlo comes generously equipped with a long list of standard features, adding convenience, comfort, and advanced technology to the driving experience. From advanced infotainment systems to comprehensive safety features, this car leaves no stone unturned in providing a well-rounded driving environment for its occupants. With its attractive price point starting at $38,590*, combined with its fuel efficiency rating of 5.3 L/100 km, the Fabia Monte Carlo offers excellent value for those seeking a stylish yet practical compact car. Whether for daily commuting or weekend getaways, the 2024 Škoda Fabia Monte Carlo proves to be a compelling choice in its class.